Now we are going to solve the first problem in the chapter 1, laws of motion. Here what is mentioned in the problem, here two masses are there, m1 and m2, and they are named as A and B. Here the force acting on the first mass could be taken as F1, the force acting on the second mass can be taken as F2. The thing is, as per the problem, one clue is given. The force acting on the first mass and second mass both are same. Therefore, we can write it as F1 is equal to F2. Here, the ratio of their masses is given. The ratio of the mass is given as 3:4. It shows that the mass of the first one is lesser and mass of the second one is greater. When force is acting on the second one, the acceleration produced on the second mass is given. It is moving with the acceleration of 12 meter per second square, that is A2 is given. You are asked to calculate A1. Again, I would like to recall that the force acting on both the two is same. This is the most important clue. We know about the force the formula from Newton's second law. As per the Newton's second law, the force formula is F is equal to m into A. So that formula to be used here, let us take this clue. F1 is equal to F2. What is the fundamental formula? F is equal to m into A. So this formula to be substituted here. What is the mass of the first object? m1. Instead of F1, I am writing m1, A1 could be written. What is F2? m2, A2. Everything is written on the basis of this formula. So here what is required? Acceleration of the first moving body to be calculated. A1 is equal to m2 divided by m1. m2 divided by m1 into A2 can be written. What is the ratio here? The ratio of these two is 3:4. Substitute here. What is the value of m2? 4 divided by 3 can be substituted. What is the acceleration of the second body? 12. Cancel this. After cancellation, you will get 4. The final answer will be A1 will be 4 into 4 is equal to 16 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration of the first body. So what you have understood from the problem, the body with greater mass, its acceleration will be less. Are you clear? When the same force is acting on the first body, but its mass is lesser. Since its mass is lesser, acceleration of the second body will be greater. Are you clear? If mass is lesser, what will happen? The acceleration will be greater. If here, in this case, mass is greater, therefore acceleration will be lesser. So by using this Newton's second law formula, this problem that could be easily solved. Here we have calculated the acceleration of the which body? First body. Okay.